Hi buddies, in this tutorial you can learn how to create fake glass window reflection on any image in just 2 minutes working on 2 layers only. My name is Rameez and you are watching Pixo Frames. To create the effect, we'll take this photo. Indoor photos are better to give an effective reflection to your images. Then we'll need a random photo of outside. Adjust the size of the photo according to the background image. By holding Shift key, the image will move straight, vertically or horizontally. Right-click on the layer and convert the layer to a smart object. Reflections on the window are not clear normally, so go to Filter and select Gaussian Blur and apply radius around 5. Now we'll change the blending mode to screen from normal and this is how it looks now. Then go to Adjustment Layers and select Levels. Click here to keep levels specific for the layer below. Adjust the highlights and shadows and it will make the image more visible. For better effect, go to Hue, Saturation and Lightness in the adjustment layer and adjust them. And now the reflection is complete. And this is that fake window reflection effect. We hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow with another video.